I'm not sure if you guys have heard of this news. In Denmark, the Danes or Danishes, whatever the people are called there, are not having enough children. So in fear of not having enough Vikings in the future, a Danish tour company launched a promotion. So if a couple goes on their tour and they conceive, the tour will be free. On top of it, the company will give them 3 years of baby supplies. And they have a really cool and sexy slogan, "Do it for Denmark." I'm like, gee, that's very similar to the government slogan we have back home, "Abort it for China." Or in the rural part, "Abort her for China." Boys are keepers, we all know that, come on guys. I've decided to take dating a little more seriously because TikTok. So I downloaded this app, Tinder, on my phone. You guys have heard of it, right? Use it? It is the app that you swipe to find true love, or you just see it like an array of dick pics. Although Tinder have a bad rep for being a hookup app, but it really has helped me in the love department. I have gotten relationships from it that lasted for days. And I don't want to brag, but the men on Tinder are so romantic and so sweet to me. Even when I ignore their messages, they will still affectionately call me by my best feature, cunt. I know those charmers were just trying to get a reaction from me, but I just can't picture myself 2 years down the road writing my wedding vow. Love at first swipe, you had me a cunt. I know it sounds like a Nicholas Sparks novel. Since we are on the topic of romance, girls, can we all agree it's never the grand romantic gestures that are the most romantic? It's never the last minute weekend trip to Paris. And it's never the candlelit dinner in a 5-star restaurant with violin playing in the background. It's always the small things guys do, the small gestures that are the most romantic, most meaningful, and most memorable. For example, when a guy extends his hand to help you up after you've given him head. Well, how about when he opens the car door for you, when the Uber he called arrives at 3 a.m.? How about when he offers to pick up the tab at Planned Parenthood? Guys, when you're at Planned Parenthood, don't say, "Let's go Dutch." We're already splitting up the baby. The bells? Come on. Girls, I know the men in your life don't tell you this enough, but you are all Uber worthy. Thank you very much.